Bienvenue les amis. Welcome friends. Welcome to the Travel Experience, Experience de Voyage channel. And in today's video, I'll be reviewing my stay at Hotel Dell'Urbe in Rome, Italy. I was staying here from November 2nd to November 9th, 2025 for the Catholic Jubilee. When I was researching a place to stay for this short one-week trip, I decided to stay around the Roma Termini station for easy access. This area is known as Tiburtino. I stayed in this area before and I've been to Rome twice previously, so this was an easy choice for me. The room itself is quite small, just enough to hold a bed and a small work desk. It has a hot kettle, but coffee or tea is not included. There's a TV, but I don't watch TV, so I can't comment on it. And it does have air conditioning, but it isn't summer, so I can't comment on its effectiveness. The room has an ensuite bathroom with a stand-up shower, a toilet, a sink, and a towel heater. It does come with a bath towel, hand towel, and bath mat, but no face towel. It also has a hair dryer. The bathroom comes with hand soap and body wash, but I choose to use my own body wash. The toilet is secured to the floor, unlike some of the other Italian hotels I've stayed in the past. However, the toilet is so close to the wall and the side of the shower that any large person would find it quite tight. The shower is also quite small, and I found myself constantly bumping into the glass enclosure when scrubbing myself down. The sliding shower doors do a decent job of keeping sure that water does not escape and end up on the bathroom floor. But overall, it's a very tight space. Being on the 6th floor of a building means that it takes a while for the hot water to reach the shower, but it is unlimited once it finally reaches the hotel. Another downside of the bathroom is that the drain in the shower does not work effectively. I found myself shutting off the water, waiting for the water to drain before turning the water back on. The shower head has multiple settings, but nothing special like massage or rainfall. The shower itself is too small and the water takes too long to drain to really enjoy bathing. There is a small fridge which is quite convenient to keep cold drinks or food cool. There's also a small but uncomfortable chair to go with the work desk. Kleenex and toilet paper are included in the room, along with internet access that is significantly faster than anything in Canada. There is a body-sized mirror, although it's for people with much smaller bodies. There's a small storage compartment for luggage, as well as a safe for keeping valuables. There is a coat rack for hanging up clothes as well. There are numerous outlets with USB ports for accessories and a bedside table. The bed itself is a European double-sized bed, which is a decent size, comfortable, but quite firm. Bedside switches allow turning the lights on or off remotely. The room has a large window facing the street, and being in the Tiburtino neighborhood, this does get quite noisy at times. The window opening is offset, but the size and height mean that children could easily fall out of the window if left unattended. There are privacy shutters which allow airflow while keeping the sun from entering the room. With the windows shut, the room itself is very quiet. There was no smoke detector present in the room, and the only emergency exit was the entrance. The room itself is Spartan, with some subtle decorations to give it a welcoming feeling. I booked my stay at Hotel Dell'Urbe through Booking.com, and the total price for 7 days came up to $810. The location is very convenient, just a 5-minute walk to Roma Termini, with numerous restaurants and shops close by. The hotel is located on the 6th floor by Canadian standards, although it is noted as being the 5th floor. The hotel is accessible via a main gate on the ground level that is keyed, then an elevator or stairwell to the 6th floor. The entry into the hotel itself is a key code, then each room has an individual key itself. Rooms are cleaned every day unless privacy is requested. The staff are friendly and welcoming. When considering the security, I rate this 8 out of 10. Location, I rate 8 out of 10. Staff, I rate 7 out of 10. Atmosphere, non-applicable. Cleanliness, I rate 7 out of 10. Value, I rate 7 out of 10. And facilities, I rate 5 out of 10. I would give Hotel Dell'Urbe a 7 out of 10 in total, and I recommend staying here. Thank you for sharing in my experience. If you enjoyed my video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would truly appreciate you sharing my video on your social network as it helps my channel grow. Be sure to check my playlist to see different categories on my exciting adventures I'm sharing with the world. Life is an adventure. Let's share this experience together.